Okay, I'm going to sit on the stool to give you a visualization of, it's a standard bar height table. And one thing that I definitely like are the little footrests.
This is how the table comes to you.
When you take it out of the box, this is what it looks like. That's it. That's how easy it is to set up. Okay, I already love this table. That is love at first sight. If you are looking at this table, I know one of the first things you want to know is a real world measurement. And this table is 31.5 inches. It's round, so it's going to be 31.5 inches here as well. And the height of this table from the floor to the top of the table is 43.5 inches. The only mechanism that you need to worry about on this table is right here, and that locks in place. That'll keep the table from collapsing, and you simply push it and set it into place. Easy peasy.
I really like the fact that this table is thick, it's heavy duty, it's solid, it's going to last me a long time. The quality of this table I'm very impressed with. You can sit or stand at this table, but if you do sit, they give you these little convenient footrests.
Let me show you how to fold it. So you just lean it over a little, pop that mechanism, it folds right down, and there you go. You are ready. Let me also show you how thin it is. So when you fold it up, it will go easily into a closet or something like that for storage.
Here's the table with just a standard stool under it.
Okay, I'm going to sit on the stool to give you a visualization of, it's a standard bar height table. And one thing that I definitely like are the little footrests. Well, I really like this table. I think you will too. We'll probably use it for unexpected guests, but you might use it for parties or weddings or whatever. I think it would be perfect for things like that. So if you are looking at this table, I hope you found this video helpful.